Hi there everyone! Today I am going to be doing an update on my project pan that I've been doing. I actually have some progress in different ways to share with you, which means that I also will be rolling some new things in. So that's actually pretty exciting for today's video. I'm going to start with the items that I am still working on from last month. This is the Living Proof Restore Smooth Blowout Concentrate. It's just an itty bitty size and I've been using it after the shower. The only product that I've put in my hair after the shower. I've been loving this, loving this. And I think the reason I really like it is because it is so weightless that my curls can just like spring up without any other product needed. The only downside that I will say is it doesn't really, in my opinion, control a lot of frizz. I'm still working on it. I cannot see through like the sticker on here to mark it, but I would say I've used a lot of this. I've used it quite a few times. Every single time after the shower this past month I've been using this. So I haven't been marking down like how many times, putting a check mark or whatever, but I've used it a lot. And I probably have like, I don't know, maybe a third or a fourth of this bottle left. Again, this is really tiny, but I just use one little pump of this each time and it works great. Next item is this lip liner. I feel like this is the never-ending lip liner. This is from KKW Beauty. It is in nude 0.5 and I think I've reached for it like 2 to 3 times. Not even enough to sharpen it, so I did use it, just not very much. This also never-ending product here, the Freeman Avocado and Oatmeal Clay Mask. I actually used this 2 or 3 times this past month because I've been having a lot of like breakouts on my face and issues with that. So I have been trying to use this a little bit more. And I feel like this actually is helping, so I need to use it even more than that, maybe like at least once a week. I feel like my skin would benefit from doing that, so definitely still in the project. I have not been able to make a new mark though, oddly enough. I think it's just so far down to the point where like I'm not gonna be able to mark it anymore until it's like gone. Next is the MAC. You can hear Luna's jingle on her collar. She decided to hang out right outside my door. Okay. Here I'm just using the shade Hug Me, and I did use it once or twice this past month, so not a ton. I definitely need to use it more, so yeah, I need to work on that. I am also doing like a lip product makeup challenge thing, so that may be why I'm not reaching for it as much, but if that's the case, I'm okay with that because I'm also using other products that I normally wouldn't reach for. So if this has to share the divvying up of times I wear lip products, it's okay. Now I'm going to share with you the remaining items from last month that will be rolled out for some reason. And the reason why I say it like that is because this product here, the Laura Mercier little caviar sticks, I went to use these and every single color of these is completely dried up. Like they fall right out. I tried even using them with my finger even after they fell out, and they are so rock solid. No color payoff was coming off. So that is why I try to use my samples more quickly, especially if they're in these foil packets. I need to do that with this because that happens, and it really is a bummer because these are really nice products. So this one is going to be rolled out purely because I can no longer use it anymore. So we will roll something in to replace that. But I'm going to keep going with the 2 last items from last month that I did use up completely. So I used up the Clarins One Step Gentle Exfoliating Cleanser. I used this pretty often as well till I finished it. So I was pretty consistent with this. I used it, I don't know, at least twice a week. So I would say that's pretty good. And it was nice. I don't know if this is something I would run out and purchase, but it definitely was nice to use and kind of exfoliate, again, while I was having some skin issues. Last item that I used up for my project pan is the Nivea lip butter in Vanilla and Macadamia Kiss. And as you can see, there is nothing left. There is a teeny weeny bit around the edges, but it's kind of gotten a little gross and it's kind of hard to get to, so all gone. So that's exciting. I feel like I did enjoy the jar format of this, although I did make sure to wash my hands every single time before using it because I was sticking my finger in there. But I did really like this. This was actually really nice, very moisturizing, and I would consider picking it up again once I go through my lip balm collection. Because we are moving out 3 products, I am going to be bringing in 3 new products to use, and one of them is going to be this Clinique face wash. This is their All About Clean Rinse Off Foaming Cleanser, and I have already been using this. I will need to mark it, but it's probably about here, so like kind of halfway, but really more than that because this is obviously the thicker part. I have been using this. It's fine. It's not anything super amazing. The only reason why I say that is because it does dry out my skin afterwards, but it does a really good job at cleansing and taking everything out and off my face. Next product I'm going to roll in, as I keep saying throughout this video, I've been having skin issues, some acne, all that fun stuff. And so I'm going to be bringing in this Ulta Beauty Perfectly Purified Spot Acne Treatment Gel. I have already been working on this. I'm not sure actually how much is even left because this is very much full of air, but I use it like every single day. So I know it'll be getting used. I just don't know how long it'll take me to finish it, but that's okay. I am still going to roll it into this project and hopefully just continue to have the same consistent use of it until everything clears up on my face. It's going to be some sheet masks. I have been trying to work through my skincare collection and kind of like get through everything. Like I had quite a bit, and I am trying to make it a goal to work through all of it before making any new purchases. So I decided I was going to try and use up 4 of these because I have actually a lot more of them, but I wanted to make this doable, achievable, and able to accomplish within a month. So I figured if I did 1 a week, that's 4, and maybe I can get it done. Maybe I can use them up. NMF Aqua Ring Ampule Mask. I already know I really like them. That's why I have so many, and because I purchased multiple of them because I enjoy them a lot. So I feel like that'll help me be more focused and able to use them because I know that they work really well. There you have it. That is my update for my project pan and what I'm going to be using this month going forward. If you are doing a project pan, let me know down below, how is it going for you? What products are you using? What is your progress like? I love hearing from you guys, especially in these type of videos, because you guys just give me inspiration and motivation to work on my own stuff when I hear from you, and I just appreciate it so much. So thank you, and I welcome those comments. So, all right, well, I will see you all next time. Have a wonderful and beautiful rest of your day. Take care, everyone. Bye.